to open a Brokerage account on Robinhood. First thing you need to do is to download the Robinhood app or just visit robinhood.com on a browser. After that, we are going to engage our steps. Open the app and tap Sign Up. Then enter your email and create a strong password and just tap Continue. After those steps, Robinhood is a regulated brokerage, so you'll need to enter full legal name, date of birth, phone number, residential address, no PO boxes, citizenship status, social security number, SSN, US residence only, and an employment status and income info for regulatory reasons. After that, let's set up your security. Create a 6-digit passcode for the app. Then set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, if you want extra security. Next step is to link your bank account. Choose your bank from the list or search it. Then log in securely or enter routing account numbers manually. This lets you deposit and withdraw funds. After that is to review and submit. Carefully read the terms and agreements. Review your details and tap Submit Application, then wait for approval. Most accounts are approved within minutes, but some may take 1 to 2 business days if manual review is needed. And lastly, this is optional. Once approved, you can deposit money to start investing. You might get instant deposit access depending on your bank and account status. And that's all. I hope this helps you out, but that was it. See you again in the next video.